Exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. We know how to express some numbers as a square and cubes. Okay. So for example, 5 square is 25 and 5 cube is 125. Okay. So in general term, the expression that represent a repeated multiplication expression that represents the repeated multiplication of the same factor is called powers. Okay, how many times you multiply, that's called the powers. So next, the number, they give an example 5 square. So in 5 square, 5 is called the base. This is called base, and this 2 is called exponent or the power. Exponent. Maximum we call this one is power. 5 powers 2. So exponent is called power also. Okay, I repeat. So in 5 square, 5 is called base. 5 is called base and 2 is called exponent. 2 is called exponent. Okay. So this is the definition of exponents and powers. So powers with positive exponents. We know that if power 1 is 1 times. So power 2 means anything power 2 means we multiply repeated the number twice. So 3 means we multiply by 3 times. 2 cube equal to 2 power 3 is there, so we multiply 2 3 times. Okay, 2 3 times. Okay, suppose 2 power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times 1 2 3 4. This one is called 2 power 4. How many times we multiply? 4 times. That's why we multiply. So we note the number there itself. It's called powers. Okay, so this is positive number. Suppose negative number will come or 0 will come, what happen? If 0 will come in any powers, we consider it as 1. The answer is on anything power 0 is 1. If a is not equal to 0, 0 power 0 not have the answer, it's not defined. But anything power, any number power 0 is 1. Okay, for example, if 5 power 0 value, 5 power 0 equal to 1, minus 5 power 0 equal to 1, and 3 power 0 equal to 1, minus 6 power 0 equal to 1. So anything power 0 is answer is 1 except a equal to 0. Okay, because a power 0, a becomes 0, then it becomes not defined. If negative numbers will come, what will do? So negative numbers வந்துச்சுனா a power minus m இருந்துச்சுனா, so அதை வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், 1 by plus a power m எடுத்துக்கிறோம் இன்வெர்ஸில். Okay, so for example 5 power minus 1 equal to 1 by 5. Okay, so 1 by 5 power 1. So 5 power minus 5 power minus 3 equal to 1 by 5 power plus 3. Okay, number reciprocal எடுத்தோம்னா power becomes positive. This is the important formula. A power minus m equal to a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. M is an integer. Okay. Next, exponents form number using exponents. So law of exponents, laws of exponents. Okay, let's see. There is some law is there. First one, product law. So product law is a power m into a power n equal to a power. So base are equal. In multiplication, base are equal, then we add the powers. A power m plus n. This is the product law for exponential. This is the product law for exponent. I repeat, a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Okay, so this is called product law. If anywhere we use this formula, it's called product law. We mentioned that with using product law. Okay, so for example, for this product law, 5 power 2 into 5 power 3 equal to 5 power 2 plus 3. Okay, so base are equal, we write as it is and we add the powers, so 2 plus 3. Okay, and next quotient law. So in multiplication we add the powers, in division subtract the powers. So a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus m. So 5 power 2 by 5 power 1 equal to 5 power 2 minus 1. Okay, otherwise 5 power 4 by 5 power 2 equal to 5 power, the numerator power is 4 minus the denominator power is 2, so 5 power 2, 4 minus 2 is 2 is the answer. Okay, this is quotient law. Before that we saw multiplication, that is product law. This is quotient law. Okay, this is quotient law. Next they given some example for that product law and quotient law. Next power law. Okay, so power law, with use of power law we are going to solve many problems. So this is very important formula. So a power m power n equal to a power m into n. Okay, so for example 5 power 2 whole power 7 equal to 5 power, we write base as it is and we multiply the powers, 2 into 7 equal to 5 power 2 sevens are 14. So with using powers law. Okay, next based on these laws we are going to solve some problems. Let's see. Example 1.36. Find the value of 4 power minus 3 second Roman, 1 by 2 power minus 3 and third Roman, minus 2 power 5 into 2 power minus 3 and fourth Roman 3 square by 3 power minus 2. Okay, so first we are going to solve first Roman. The first Roman is 4 power minus 3. 4 power minus 3 equal to, here I am using inverse negative power. So negative power rule is we write 1 by taking reciprocal, then it becomes positive power. So 1 by 4 power 3, so equal to 1 by, multiply 4 by 3 times, 4 into 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So 1 by 64 is the answer for first Roman. For example 1.36, I repeat, 4 power minus 3 equal to 1 by 4 power 3. We taking reciprocal, then the power becomes plus 3 equal to 4 power 3 means we multiply 4 by 3 times, 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 1 by 64 is the answer for first Roman. Next we move on second Roman. In second Roman 1 by 2 power minus 3. So here also we taking reciprocal. 1 by 2 becomes 2 power 3 by 1. Okay, equal to 2 power by 1 we not consider that. So we take 2 power 3 only. So 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 1 by 2 power minus 3 value is 8. I repeat, the given question is 1 by 2 power minus 3. The power is in negative, so we want to change in positive. That's why I take reciprocal. It becomes 2 power 3 by 1. Okay, so equal to, this one we not consider because in denominator we not take 1. So leave that one. So 2 power 3 equal to 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. This is the answer for second Roman. Next, third Roman. In third Roman, the base minus 2 power plus 5 minus 2 power minus 3. The base are equal. So this is in the form of product law. So here I am using product rule. So what is the product rule in multiplication? So minus 2 is the base, first number is 5 plus second number is minus 3. So minus 2 power 5 plus into minus minus 3. So minus 2 power 5 minus 3 value 2. So the remaining number is minus 2 into minus 2, that is minus 2 whole square. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. I repeat, the given question is minus 2 power 5 into minus 2 power minus 3. So here I using product law. So by product law, so minus 2 power 5 plus minus 3. So equal to minus 2 power, this becomes plus into minus minus 3. So equal to minus 2 power 2. 5 minus 3 value is 2. Minus 2 power 2 is minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. The answer is plus 4. Okay. Next to fourth Roman. 3 square by 3 power minus 2. 3 square. We take reciprocal for 3 power minus 2. We want to convert the negative power into positive power. So that's why here I am taking reciprocal. 3 square is already there. If you take reciprocal, 3 power minus 2 becomes plus 2. 3 power minus 2 becomes plus 2. So equal to, here I am using product law. Base are equal. So we add the powers. Okay, we add the powers. So here power is 2 plus 2 equal to 3 power 4. 3 power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. 81 is the required answer. I repeat, 3 square by 3 power minus 2. This 3 power minus 2 becomes 3 power plus 2. We taking reciprocal. So 3 power 2 into 3 power 2. 3 square is 9 into 3 square is 9. 9 9s are 81 is the required answer. Example 1.37. Simplify and write the answer in exponential form. Simplify and write the answers in exponential form. First question, 3 power 5 divided by 3 power 8 into 3 power minus 5. So here I take divide. So 3 power 5 divided by 3 power 8 whole power 5 into 3 power minus 5. Okay. So this equations becomes 3 power 5 whole power 5 divided by, okay, otherwise first I am going to use this in the form of quotient law. So here I use quotient law. So a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. A power m minus n. So here I used quotient law. So 3 power 5 minus 8 whole power 5 into 3 power minus 5. Okay. So this is 3 power 5 minus 8 whole power 5. So into we write 3 power 5 as it is. So next 5 minus 8 value is minus 3. So whole power 5 into 3 power minus 5. So here I used power law. A power m whole power n equal to a power m into n. So here I use that formula. So a power m into n in the form of a power m into n. So you multiply each other. So minus 3, 5 is 15, minus 15 into minus 5. So here I use product law. So by using product law, so base are equal. So we add the numbers 3 power minus 15 plus minus 5. So here 3 power minus 15 minus into plus becomes minus 5. So minus 15 minus 5 is minus 20. The answer is 3 power minus 20 for the first Roman. Next second Roman, minus 3 power 4 into 5 power 5 by 3 whole power 4, minus 3 power 4 into 5 by 3 whole power 4, 3 power 4, we take minus, so minus 1 separately, it becomes plus 3 power 4. If you doubt, I will explain. Minus 3 power 4. So here I write minus 1 into 3 whole power 4. So minus 1 power 4 is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into plus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So therefore this becomes plus 1. The answer is 3 only. So 3 power 4 into 5 power 4 by 3 power 4. So numerator denominator 3 power 4 will cancel. The answer is 5 power 4. Okay, I repeat, 3 power 5 by 3 power 8 whole power 5 into 3 power minus 5. So here I use quotient law. So quotient law is a power m minus a power n. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. So here I mention, so 3 power 5 minus 8. So 3 power 5 minus 8 whole power 5. So into 3 power minus 5. So next 5 minus 8 becomes minus 3. 5 minus 8 becomes minus 3 and whole power 5. We keep as it is the whole power 5. Then it becomes 3 power minus 3 whole power 5 into 3 power minus 5. So here I used power law. We should multiply the powers. Minus 3 into plus 5 is minus 15. So 3 power minus 15 into 3 power minus 5. So I use the power law. Minus 15 minus 5. So minus 15 minus 5 value is minus 20. This is the first Roman. Second Roman, 3 power minus 4 plus 4, 3 power plus 4 and into 5 by 3 whole power 4. So 3 power plus 4 means minus 3 I separate minus 1 into plus 3 whole power 4. So minus 1 power 4 is plus 1. Next 3 power 4. We keep 3 power 4. Otherwise you just remember that. So negative power even number will come. The numbers becomes positive. The negative numbers powers even number will come. The power the value becomes positive. Okay. So here minus 3 power 4. 4 is a even number. So negative numbers power 4 will come. The numbers becomes positive. So 3 power 4 into, I used here quotient law, 5 power 4. I separate the powers for 2 terms, 5 power 4 and 3 power 4, because 4 is common for 5 by 3. So I took the number 4 to 5 and 3, it becomes 5 power 4 into 3 power 4. So here 3 power 4 will cancel. The remaining answer is 5 power 4.